Good morning, Facebook. Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors here. So we are here, day 4, and pretty much yesterday we worked all the way up until we got one coat on the floor, and today we're gonna do some light buffing and apply the second coat and then the third coat. But with the invisible, pretty much I can show you what the floor is gonna look like. Um, it's got a couple layers of protection on there, so let me go ahead and turn this thing around. And I will start here. So you can see the floor. It's got that raw wood look to it. The stairs, you can see where we did, and then that's where they had new steps recently installed. So they're not touching those, but let me show you one more time. You kind of see the thread there, how it's a different color. So they'll probably end up calling us back in a couple of months just to get that change to this natural look that we got going here with the invisible. But take a look. This thing's beautiful. So our buffer. Our next stairway. But just more or less what the floor is going to look like. So stairwell again. And same thing, we took it all the way up to here, and then they had engineered wood put in about a year and a half ago. So we'll see the color difference between the old wood and then the sand job that we just did. But, like I said, they're going to call us back in a couple months and get everything else going. But looks beautiful. So, turn this thing back around. So that's what we're looking at. That's what the floor is going to look like. Customers are extremely happy, so that's great. And we'll see if we could do another video update, but that's more or less what the floor is going to look like. So everybody have a good day.